Hello, and welcome to another week of Washi Wednesday. This week we have maybe some different things going on. I'm trying a new layout this week, so ultimately what you all see is going to look a little different. We'll see how that goes. I might go back to my old way, but you'll see later. Anywho, so we have our washi tray to pick from for this week, and then you'll see I have some stickers over here. So actually, earlier today, I was going through my stickers and I came across this sheet from Papershire from Go Wild. I didn't go, but my cousin went and sent me some stickers, and I thought this is such a really good set if you have a passport notebook, and so I wanted to use those. But then I love cherry blossoms, but in this case, I didn't want everything to be pink, and so I found this sheet from PaperDollz company with the green and the pink, and I think it's a little bit more of a balance with the cherry blossoms and the pink flowers. And so because I want to try to use these today, I have a beautiful washi from Every Minute a Story, definitely one of my favorite washi companies and sticker companies by far. And she has this gorgeous cherry blossom washi, and I want to use this with it. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna have a little bit of fun today, but I'm really excited to get into this washi and set up for our amazing Wednesday. So let me gather some supplies and I'll be right back. Okay, so because we're going with this pink, I am thinking we leverage this pink and this green. I don't know if maybe we need to incorporate some gray. The problem is these are so dark. I don't have a light gray. Oh no, this is a light gray. Why do I feel like this is a light gray, but I feel like it's too light? Is that only me that feels like they have a gray that's too light and a gray that's too dark, but they don't have a gray that's like right in the middle? So we'll probably just roll with this green and this pink. I'm really feeling this color combo. So we're gonna go with these. I have a new ruler from a Coffee Monster company. I got this in one of my subscriptions from her. And so I thought I would use this one today and give it some use. Of course, we have our handy dandy tweezers. I have my scissors, and I love these scissors because they're so great for travel, and they have a little hook so you can put them with a lot of stationery packs. So I love this. I think I got them off Amazon. But anywho, so we have this. Let's open to our blank page and let's get to the fun part. All right. One day I'll have to give you all a flip through because look how chunky. It's getting so chunky. So let's open up this. So I had an idea for the stickers I want to use, but I don't know how I want to use them. So you all, as always, will see real time how I come up with some of my designs in my passport. So to level set, I use my passport kind of like an everyday carry. I put tasks and habits. Sometimes I write just general notes. I'll put stickies. I'll put stickers of my little one. I kind of use this notebook for any and everything because I felt overwhelmed by trying to fit into certain boxes of planners. And for where my life is, I have a detailed work planner, but outside of that, I'm still figuring out what my planner piece is. And so I kind of use this thing as a catch-all. In the back, I have like an index, so more like bullet journaling in the back. But I'm still figuring it out. So it's been a fun year. So I thought I would explain that because maybe it makes a little bit more sense why the spreads look the way they are. So traditionally I've kind of had like a to-do and maybe gratitude and then like some journaling over here. But what I found is I've been using my B6 for journaling a lot more and not using this because it's kind of difficult for me to use it in this space when I write because sometimes my hands hurt. So I am going to try to do a 2 split and have a Wednesday and a Thursday, and we're going to try to use these stickers for both. And like I said, this is my first time kind of working with this layout, so we'll see how it works out and if we love it or hate it. So instead of just seeing Wednesday and a journaling page, you're going to see Wednesday and Thursday. So let's get into it. Finishes touches. I love how this came out. I made a mistake, but we found a creative way to cover it up, and sometimes, like in life, you make do with what you got. So I'm really pleased with how it came out. I love the overall color palette, and I'm actually, mistake and all, still really happy with how this came out. So let me know in the comments if you all like this layout, like this format. Would you try this? Well, I can't wait to see you all next time. Thank you. See you then.